Weather resistant and waterproof. Unplug the back, plug into the USB-A port, and the unit lights up just like that for use in the shade, 24% sun. The portable solar by the sun's ray will charge your phone shade to sunlight. Everything you get in the box is your instruction guide. Read up. It'll tell you all the information you need to know. You need optional cables to run your unit, to charge things, your cell phone, your laptop, your batteries, your stations, and more. You get 4 clips. They're made of metal. They're very simple to put on, and they hook around just about anything imaginable. A backpack, on a bike, by the boat, on a railing. Use your imagination, on a pole, and so forth. The unit doesn't have any kickstands, so you need to find your own method of hanging. You've seen the unit get soaked, and here it is, nice and wet, still drying off, as you can see, and the water dripping. That's how I do stuff, showing you in great detail. Strong, flexible. It will break if you bend it way too hard, but they are very strong indeed. You got your metal hooks, 4 of them, your Velcro area, and your DC area. This needs to be closed entirely to keep it IP rated. As long as it's facing this way, you have nothing to worry about. This is Q-Layer. QC 3.0 charging. It's also 5-volt charging. It could charge your smartphone, your laptop, 12-volt, power banks like I have on the side. But you don't want to be taking a heavy power bank with you, and you just want to charge your devices, or you need one to run things, and this will get you up and running. It is weather resistant and waterproof, IP65 rated when the doors are fully closed, the rubber seals on the back of the unit. Please make sure these doors stay closed when not in use. It's foldable and they come with clips. You can hang it anywhere you can imagine. Put it on a boat, an RV, on top of a gazebo, a shed. Charge your car, trickle your car, as long as you have the optional cables not supplied. The unit comes Velcro strapped. You put the clips on and they fold into the device through the small little holes. As you push out each of the straps through the hole, those are the 6 panels. Check online for further detail about how this product is made and further information. It needs direct sun in order to operate to charge the power station. 13 watts of power in direct sun. We're going to open up the back, show you that the LED is lit right there on, and all the panels are basically closed. As you can see, some of the sun is getting in on the panels. With all the panels closed in the shade, we're pushing 2.197 volts. As we open up all 6 panels in a shaded area, we are now pushing 14.46. The unit is shockproof. It could be thrown, placed. We're in most of the sun, and we're running at 19.50 volts. We're going to switch over, and we're going to plug into the power station and charge. We're already 99%. We got 8 hours of use. And when the sun generates correctly, it'll show us the amount of usage. We'll turn everything off. and we'll see about 13 to 15 watts. We're going to set up in a different area where we have full direct sun, that we can lay our panel and collect the sun the best we can. And then we're going to plug into the correct corresponding area to charge and shut all things off. And we are at 12 watts of power charging. As we move out of the sun's array, you'll see that we're at 7-8 watts up to 12 watts. We have a USB-A multiple plug, and we're going to plug into the USB-A port while it's still charging via the power station. And then we're able to take our phone and multi-charge. We are charging just like that, and we're able to plug in our power bank and charge as well, double charging. If we need to charge another power station via USB-C port, it's portable, it's foldable correctly with the clips placed through, and easy to store away, and comes in one color. Optional cables are not offered. You could use a multi-cable, a USB-C to C cable, and 12-volt cable with alligator clips to charge a car battery and more. With an IP rating of 65, camping, hiking, biking, walking around, putting down on the floor to gather the sun's rays to charge your products on the go.